Yes! Hey guys, salut, this is Alex and today we are making 3 stunning sides. Ta-ta-ta! Christmas series! So this year, instead of giving you tips on how to achieve the perfect turkey, I'm gonna assume that your turkey is really bad. It can happen to the best of us. So we are gonna make 3 sides, 3 salads and 3 sauces to save Christmas. All those recipes are gonna be cheats or twists. Side number 1. Potato mash balls. Brilliant to give a nice different shape to your classic potato mash. Mashed potato. Peel up a few potatoes, cut them in small chunks, pop them in a microwave safe cup, add a few tablespoons of water, cover with a plate and in the microwave it goes. 10 minutes should be just fine. Open it carefully because the steam can be really hot. Mash them, I'm telling you, this is the easiest mashed potato recipe you can find. Pop them back in the bowl, add a few dollops of cream or milk. Add a sprinkle of grated cheese, because you know it's always better with cheese. Mix it thoroughly and place it in the fridge to chill. So in a plate, add some breadcrumbs, chop up some parsley, finely chop a clove of garlic, sprinkle some salt on it, and there you go. Smash it. Make a paste. Add it to the breadcrumbs mixture. Make sure the garlic is well incorporated. Perfect. This is ready to go. Get the mashed potato out of the fridge. Shape some golf-sized balls and coat them in the breadcrumbs. Place the mashed balls in a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Now pop these in the oven until golden. Mashed potato balls. Crispy outside, fluffy and cheesy inside. Kids are gonna love it. Let's be honest, I am gonna love it. You are gonna love it too. Side number 2. The second dish is Brussels sprouts, and I know that many people are afraid of their bitter taste, but with this recipe, it's a bit on the hot side and it has some nice Chinese-inspired vibes. Cut the Brussels sprouts in half. This way, the taste will be less bitter. Place a pot filled with water over high heat. You see something? No, you don't see something. You see nothing. As soon as it boils, just drop in the Brussels sprouts. Rinse under cold water. And now you want to caramelize the Brussels sprouts. Add a good drizzle of soy sauce and a tiny drizzle of oil. And now to finish the dish, the most important is to add some sweet chili sauce. Sprinkle a few cashew nuts on top and a few chili flakes for some extra heat. And finally, a few mint leaves, just to boost the freshness of this dish. Brussels sprouts, Chinese style. Ooh, very unusual. They are caramelized instead of steam, but I think it's really worth it. And side number 3. You can peel any root vegetables, but this time I am using carrots and parsnips. Trim off the ends, put them into batons. Place them on a baking tray, add pepper, salt, pure maple syrup, that's the best, add a drizzle of oil. Just coat them nicely in those, in the oven it goes. This is how you turn any root vegetables into something nice, sweet, salty, and with a bit of breadcrumbs, it's gonna be crunchy as well. Roasted veg, and the key in those roasted veg is the taste of maple syrup. What you wanna do. Okay, so guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed those 3 recipes for Christmas sides. They are a bit unusual, they are fun, they are simple, but I think they will please everyone around your table. If you like this video, then thumbs up, like it, also share that over on your social media. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, why not? There is so much love on this channel, but most importantly, please watch the 2 other episodes of this micro Christmas series, the salads and the sauces. Take care guys, bye bye, salut!